To install Windows 10 on your Lenovo Miix IdeaPad tablet, you need to create a Windows 10 bootable USB drive using the software called Rufus on another PC. Select your pen drive from the available list and then navigate to select the Windows 10 ISO file. Under partition scheme, select GPT, click start and click OK. You need at least an 8GB pen drive for this to work. After it is done, the status will show to ready. Now insert the pen drive into your Lenovo Miix tablet and then press and hold the volume up button and the power button at the same time. I'll leave the link to download the Windows 10 ISO in the video description. Pressing both keys will give you access to the boot menu. Now select boot menu and then select your Windows 10 bootable USB drive from the list. Make sure you download the version 1909 version that was released in 2019, or else you get a scrambled screen like this when you try to boot from the newer versions of Windows 10. So make sure you download the 2019 version 1909 or 19H1 and then boot from it, and you'll be given this screen. Now select the OEM. I'll accept the license terms, select custom install, and then I won't create any partitions, but I'll delete the old partitions and then create a new partition because I'm doing a clean install. So this is just a 64GB internal storage, so I won't create any separate partitions. I'll delete all partitions and then create a new partition. After creating the new partition, you click next and start with the Windows installation process. I'll skip most part of this video to make it short. This is just a normal Windows installation process. You'll be after several restarts and other things. You select your country, keyboard layout. I won't add a second keyboard, and then I'll continue without an internet, so I'll skip this part and then continue with limited setup. You enter any name you want to put inside your laptop and then the password. I won't add a password at this point. Yes, this is just a normal Windows 10 finalization setup screen. So after the Windows is done, all that I needed to do was to connect it to an internet because the touch screen wasn't working. The VGA wasn't properly installed. So change the display orientation from portrait to landscape to make it easier to update the drivers. So you right click on personalize and then scroll down and change the display orientation from portrait to landscape and then keep changes. Now connect your Wi-Fi and automatically all the drivers will start to install. If that doesn't happen at your end, you right click on this PC, click on manage, click on device manager, and on any driver that is not properly installed, right click on it, click on update driver and select update drivers online. This will update all the necessary drivers. So if your VGA is not installed, you just click buy display adapters and then update it. In my case, it's already installed, so I'll go to the second one, which is the camera drivers, which is not installed. So download everything online and then install it on my Lenovo IdeaPad. If that doesn't work, you should go to settings and check for Windows updates. You just need to make sure you download the 64-bit Windows 10 2019 or lower version for this to work, either Windows 10 1909 or Windows 10 19H1 or H2 version. After the installation, you connect it to the internet or Wi-Fi and it will automatically download all the available drivers you need. I hope this video helps you, and I'll leave the link to download the softwares that I use in the video description. You can leave your comments and then questions in the comment section and I'll be happy to answer you.